Hello guys, coming with you at another video. Today I'll be showing you my two vacuums, which are both Hoover, which I both got for a £5, including a massive bag of attachments. So, £2.50 each for these, which are in properly quite nice condition. This one's in the best condition, but we'll start off with this one, which isn't original. The bag's in nice condition. It's a Hoover dustette from, when is it from? It's a bit sun faded, as you can see. I see it just turns itself on. Yeah, the switch is very sensitive on it. There's a little switch thing on the side. It's from 1987, on the December 1987 that's from. So yeah, there's this there tool. It just goes in there like so, and then just turn the phone on. There you go. So that goes in there. So there's a button on the back, which the bag just pops off, and in the bag we have a lot of carbon dust, which I hoovered out from Henry. I just needed a little vacuum. Here's the bag, and then here's the other bag. Very clean. Nice tidy little bag. So, if we ever do woodwork in school, or sometimes, well, I'm normally tempted to take a Hoover in with me. This is something that will just go in my school bag, my rucksack. So, and there's the back, and it's quite clean. So, we'll put the bag back on. Show it in action. See, it makes quite a racket. So we won't use that one anymore because it makes a horrible racket. Put that down there. Next is this Hoover Turbo Boost, which isn't actually a turbo power, it's a turbo boost. I believe on a vacuum site on Facebook they said this was a Currys exclusive, I believe. This one I think is from 82 or 92. It's a 2 on the serial codes, which I'm not actually sure what it says, but it had a bit of white cable joined onto it. But yeah, there's the plug. For some reason it's got a split in there, but there. Okay. Right, there we go. It's in pretty nice condition. It's got the two-way switch to the top. It's got the spring-loaded bit at the top and the normal one at the bottom. Top and bottom cord hooks still intact. The foot release, wheels and everything is still intact. This one runs better out of this and the Turbo Junior. Here's the underneath. And someone's texting me. Yeah, someone. It's Adam. There's the brushes, quite long, I suppose. Very easy. Base plate, etc. Very nice and clean. Show you inside. It does have its original air freshener in there. It stinks like old people's piss, but that's nice to have in there. There's the bag. It takes H4s and it's got the bag slide still in there. Not very good filtration, but who cares? If you get fleece bags for these, that'll be cool. The headlight still works, which is quite nice. So, I'll show you. Right, let's turn it on low first. Ready? And high. There you go, it runs quite nice. So that's okay for £2.50, if I say so myself. So there we go, guys. There's a quick video. of some of my new acquisitions. There's also a Panasonic that I need to do a video of, and there's that Henry Turbo kit. But that I'll do a video of those at a later date. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe if you have enjoyed, and bye for now.